Hey, what's up YouTube? You are watching Ready, Set, Drone, and today I've got a couple of really talented guys. I've got Zach and I've got Gabe, and they are from ATX Films. Now, ATX Films is a trick shot site, and it happens to be here in my hometown of Austin, Texas. Gabe was kind enough to come on the show and dragged his brother along to help shoot some cool trick shots with and without drones. Tell me a little bit about ATX Films.
Okay, so we do trick shots, challenges, and other cool stuff like you'll see in this video. Check out our channel, link in the description.
There's a link down there. They're looking for new subscribers, and I actually really like watching their channel, so I highly recommend checking them out. Now let's go to the top of that parking garage and do some cool shots.
This is a 3-story cornhole shot.
Nice. 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 Nice.
Nice.
Nice. Nice. Nice.
Nice.
If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give it a like, and if you want to know more about drones and RC stuff, subscribe to Ready, Set, Drone. But if you want to see awesome, cool trick shots filmed right here in Texas, Zach and Gabe are your guys. ATX Films, the link is in the description. I hope you'll go check them out and subscribe and see what they're up to. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you next time on Ready, Set, Drone.